Alright again. Now, I want to welcome you guys back to another episode of Earth TV. Alright? And of course, you got your great host, Mr. Earth. Now, last time we were doing this video, we did the unboxing. Now it's time to put this together. As you guys can see, we have all our pieces laid out. And of course, before I start, I want to wish you guys happy holidays, okay? Now, let's get ready. If you guys would like to take a look at the piece and the piece name, I advise you guys to basically go take a look at one of the videos that we did, and that video will break everything down. That's the previous video. So what I'm doing right now, as you guys already know, I have my handy dandy toolbox. I want to welcome you guys, of course, to the world famous show. Let's get ready. Alrighty. So the first thing that I like to do, I'm going to start, of course, with your base. Just want to make sure that you guys can see that. Alrighty to me. So what you want to do, remember what I told you guys, you want to clean that out. So the next thing I want to do, I'm going to reach around. I'm going to grab my glue. Alright, so let's get to the good part, the fun part. Alright, let's start at the top of it. Right? Little drop because this is some very ooh. Okay, let's go. So we're going to take these struts and we're going to stick them in. Now that's why I cleaned it, because sometimes it doesn't go in. Now we're going to go to the next part, right? We're going to stick that one in. Go in. Alrighty. Let's try this again. One thing about us on this channel, we're winners. So let's just clean it out real quick. Let's just take it in. You can always watch this little thing, guys. Take the end of that. Clean that out. Let's try to, because, well, this one may not go in like the other ones, but I'm going to tell you guys, that's why I have a handy dandy toolbox. I could shave this down, okay? If I have to, I'll shave it down. Remember, I already have the glue. So we're going to just get that in there. I know I said try to get it in there gently, but you have to be creative with the DIY wood product, because you got to remember that wood swells, and sometimes it absorbs moisture, sometimes it dries out, so it does reposition, all right? But as you guys can see, we have those going. So let me just put that right there so you guys can see. We have our base. We also have our struts inside of our base, okay? And we're dry. Alrighty. So the next thing that I would like to add are these beautiful skids, all right? There's one skid, there's two. Now remember, as you guys can see, the first time you see that I was having a little trouble. So we're going to make sure that we turn into solutions. And this is nothing against the people that put this product together. Remember, it's wood. See, it may be too much to the end. It may not. This one's in the middle, but we're going to make do with what we got. All right. Okay. All right. So let's get these put together. Let's just scoop that up a little bit. So we're going to put... I gotta be very careful. I'm putting a little bit too much, but it's a learning experience. I'm with you guys here. That's what I'm saying. With you. Put a little bit in that strut. Set that glue right there. Alrighty. So now that I have those in there, put a little bit in that skid. Alrighty. So now I want to just basically attach this.
Earth TV.
Because you don't want to be too rough, because remember, this is wood glue. It'll dry, and if it fills in the spaces, you may not be able to get the cardboard in. So just that's it there. Alrighty. Hope you guys are having a good time on this platform. I hope you guys can see everything great. Hit the like button if you appreciate what I'm doing. Remember, there's a hobbyist in all of us. Alrighty. Alright, so as you guys can see, you have your base, you have your struts, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is your base, you have your skids, and we have all these pieces together. So let's turn this beautiful bad boy around. I'm sorry, beautiful good boy around. Whoa, we're getting there. I love when an idea basically comes together. Now next up, I want you guys to pay attention. Remember, always clean out the the section that the company made. Alrighty. And I want to welcome you guys again to Earth TV, the unboxing, review, reaction, champion, Earth TV. I want you guys to tune in because, just along with these type of projects right here, wooden projects, we're also going to put together a couple of electronic wooden projects, okay? We're also going to deal with RCs. We're going to go there. We're going to do building sets. We're going to do everything. So you guys need to tune in on an everyday basis. So what I just did, why I'm talking so much, but we all can talk. I put a little small amount of glue inside of that hole. Then I added the peg. Remember, the peg is the real small piece. Now, as you guys can see, this baby is coming together. All right. Okay, great job. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. If you have teenagers that like to build, if you have younger ones that like to build, you guys can have them tune into this channel. That way, step by step, they can watch us put together these products and they can buy their own. And then that way they can put theirs together. And it'll be easy because we're doing it not fast, but slow. I put a little bit more in there. And as you guys see, I put a little bit on. So, alrighty. We're gonna take the piece. Wow, this is the fantastic part. You ready? Let's go. Can I get a drum roll, please? Yeah, these nerves are over there shaking. Wow. Whoa! Ooh, be careful now. Alrighty, could I get an applause? Thank you guys. Could we get a like? Alrighty, could we get a subscription? We want you guys to subscribe to the channel. Remember, the more people that we have subscribed, the more we're able to produce these great videos, and the videos are only going to get better and better. Okay? We're here for it. Alright, this is the rudder. And while that is drying, I'll go get a little Kleenex so I can clean it. I'm gonna just go along the sides and clean up that extra glue. That's put together the propeller. Alright? Now, when putting together the propeller, you have to pay close attention to what you're doing. Alright? First thing you're going to do, the eyelet holder. Alright? And you're going to basically, I don't know if you guys can see this. I want to make sure that you can see. There's a hole inside of there. This is the eyelet. You want to put it in there. See? And you're going to twist it. We're waiting on that to dry, so we're not going to rush anything. On this channel, we do stuff the right way, because if you rush it, as you guys can see, it will fall. I'm learning just like you guys. So, what we're doing right now is we're turning the eyelids just enough till it comes up to the top. So you want to twist this just up a little bit. Now you have to put this on top of there. It's real. Kind of tedious, but not. But it's the fun of building. So you want to get it in there and you want to twist it. If you guys have like some tweezers, that'll be easy to do. I have a better way to do this. Let me do this. I want to twist this off. This is the easiest way to do it. Just twist this up some more. Just twist it up some more. Don't worry about that.
Earth TV.
Just not too much. You can still feel the glue, just not stripped. Now put this on and just twist it. Let's just make this easier and just twist it. That way we don't have to, but just don't strip it. Just twist that on and just twist it. Okay, because now, as you guys can see, it's tight. This is what that piece looks like. Okay. We're getting there. Now, the other piece should be dry, but I'm going to wait because this piece is going to have to dry too. So I just want you guys to pay attention. You see how that twists? We're getting there. So I hope you guys are following, along with me. And as you guys can see, we're going slow so you guys can get it correct too. Just want to make sure that's propeller. Remember what I was telling you guys, it's not A, propeller B, and you're going to put some glue on top of there, and you're going to glue this right smack. So let's just take our time, let's not rush. We still have our plane drawing, so let's just put some glue there. Not too much where you over top it, but you gotta be careful with the glue. Because you have to sit. Those over there. Why am I whispering? I don't know. Okay. Now, it's just like when you whisper, you're more careful. I don't know, I guess. As you guys can see, there's a slant. So remember, you have to be the smart one. Don't put it on the end. Put it in the middle. But just make sure that the slant is not going to affect you. It is what it is. Alrighty. Let me come down so you guys can see.
TV.
Right, so I'll put that on. Ooh, trying to be careful. And I need to let that dry. See? That's what it looks like. So, I need to really let that dry. Ooh, flip that over. Now, we need to let this dry. We don't need to do anything. Let's just, we're going to set this down. Just want to be very careful. I'm sitting it down. It may be out of view. I have to sit it somewhere just so it can sit. Alrighty. Let's go. Now we have that piece in there. Okay. Alrighty. You're going to have to give this some time to dry. Now, ooh, we're getting it together. This piece, the elevator, okay? So, as you guys can see, there's a spring. So we're going to put some glue across that. I want to get this so you guys can see. Carefully stick the elevator on there. Came up with a great way to make this work, alright? So basically you have your roof sitting on top of there. You have to be careful. We want to put this inside of there, but not too much, just enough where it goes down, but you have enough room to sit. Alright, as you guys can see, we got it done. This is better. Look. So if you guys made it this far, you did your thing.
This is Earth TV.
We're not finished yet. Now, I know we keep doing things with this piece, but we're going to get it correct. We're going to wipe it again.
Earth TV.
We're going to take our gray glue.
Message.
We're going to put glue from here. Listen. Just put a little bit. Or you could put a lot, but just make sure that you clean it up. If you put a lot, because you want to keep it sturdy, make sure that you flatten it down with a piece of tissue or something. Or a napkin, you know, wipe it down. Because you don't want excess going out. You just want enough glue for it to stick, but you still want your project to look great. So the reason I do this, I don't need excess glue buckling up and, you know, destroying the project. Now, guys, watch. Alright, it's, ooh, you gotta be very careful doing this. You know, I'm just gonna have to pick this up. I'm sorry, guys, because I have to see. It's, ooh. The reason I keep saying ooh, I don't want to destroy it. Okay, there we go. Alright, now as you guys can see, we've got that last piece here. Let me straighten up these pieces so everything looks great. Perpendicular, because everything is still drying. Remember, it's going to take time to dry. Now, look, you guys got your beautiful helicopter, alrighty? Now, we're not finished. Let me see. Okay. Well, there we go. Yes, but I do want to thank you guys once again for tuning in to Earth TV. You guys have a great day, and here's your final bill. Just want you guys to have a detailed picture just to see it. And guess who put this together? You. You did this. You did this. Alright? Let's just set that over there by the Christmas tree. Okay. Matter of fact, let's move this Christmas tree over here. Let's put that right there. You can't have a helicopter without somebody to fly it. Alrighty. I want to introduce the pilot. Okay. Let's introduce the pilot. Alright. Alrighty. That helicopter right there. That pilot. I want you guys to enjoy the show. And once again, from the pilot to the helicopter to the channel to everybody, we enjoyed you guys here at TV. And I want you guys to have a beautiful day. Alrighty.
TV. Message.